What is up everybody, today we are going to have a quick look at Motorola Sphere Plus. So before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. So now then, let's get started. Yes, the Sphere Plus comes in a Gen box like this one. This is a kind of 2-in-1 earphones and speaker. So that means it contains both earphones and a speaker. Well, now let's unbox this one. Wow, the interior of the package looks beautiful with this reddish black tone. The package comes with an acoustic foam. Well, if you don't know what is acoustic foam, it is used for absorbing this kind of reflecting noise. It's usually used in professional audio recording studios. I don't know why have they included this thing. Maybe to hold the speaker in position. This is the speaker. The headphone is attached to the sphere. These headphones are water resistant, IP54 rated. These headphones provide 20 hours of playback time in a single go. And an LED, and a micro USB, and an aux cable. And micro USB port for charging from an external source. I think there's no need for a charging from an external source. You can just lay them on the sphere. They're gonna get charged. These headphones comes with a Bluetooth 4.1. Technically speaking, there are actually two Bluetooths. One for the headphone and other for the sphere. And they provide up to 20 meters of range, which is pretty cool for especially like a speaker one like this one. Like you could be around 20 meters away from the speaker and you could still listen to the music. That's great. Sphere Plus holder comes with like a microphonic structure. Nice. It looks great. Beneath it we have some paperwork and a lengthy black box. This is the DC power adapter. It comes with an aux cable with 4 ports and 3 ports. These 4 ports are used for connecting to the smartphone, and while these are used for connecting to the speakers or from other audio sources. The quality of the aux cable is superb. And you get a micro USB. That's all from the box. This is how you connect the speaker with the DC adapter. It automatically turns on when it is connected to the power. There are various buttons available on the speaker, such as modes, play or pause, answer or reject call with the same button, and to increase and decrease the volume. The headphones too provide the same button functionality on the right side. You can just pull off headphones from the sphere. It immediately stops playing from the sphere and it starts playing from the headphones. That is something I like. You get a seamless play. When you just put them back on the sphere, it just starts playing from the sphere. The sound quality from the headphones are really amazing, and nevertheless from the sphere. So this is a quick unboxing and review of Motorola Sphere Plus. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the like button. Thanks for all those 21 subscribers who made me to feel inspired to create more. I never ever thought that I would be ever able to reach 200 viewers in the first video. Thanks for all your sharing support. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.